I was sent these sponges to check out, and they've quickly become an important part of my cleaning routine. The sponges come in a box. They're a 4-pack. You get a manual with them as well. When first unboxing these, I noticed that there was no weird smell, which is really important for me. These are shaped in a way that fit very comfortably in your hand. They have the ridge side as well as the smooth side. I found that these work best when they're just a little bit damp, so definitely wring them out to squeeze out any excess water. These grooves do a really wonderful job of collecting and trapping dirt, dust, hair. These are super durable too. This one has already been used, but they come packaged. These were soft when they arrived, but they might not always be. In that case, you would just soak them or run them under water. I went around cleaning random things in my house. This is an entryway table that always gets super dusty since it's by the door. And it's just grabbing all of that dust so well, trapping it all up, and then I just rinse it off. I wanted to show something oddly shaped, so this is a dog bowl holder. And as you can see, it's flexible. It's getting into all of the grooves and trapping all of the dirt and dust and dog hair that was on there. I'm wiping down a leather couch that, of course, our dog is allowed to be on, so it gets really dirty, and it worked really well for this. Trapping all of that dirt. I use the smooth side as well here. Cleaning a vent here. Again, trapping all that dust so we don't have to breathe it in. And these blinds were disgustingly dirty. I didn't even realize. And just a random dust bunny to show how well it traps the hair. Overall, these sponges save time and effort. They're effective, durable, and definitely worth it.